Hello viewers, I Reshmasri of class 10. Today I am going to explain an activity. What happen acids and bases dissolve in water. Apparatus required: dilute H2SO4, sodium chloride, delivery tube, rubber cork, dropper, spatula, litmus papers, boiling test tube. Collect small amount of sodium chloride into boiling test tube. Now close the mouth of the test tube with 2-hole rubber cork. Insert delivery tube into one hole and add dilute H2SO4 into the test tube. Here, sodium chloride starts reacting with dilute H2SO4, releases colorless gas. Now let us test the nature of gas with wet litmus papers. Take wet red litmus paper near the mouth of the delivery tube. There is no change in the red litmus paper. Now take wet blue litmus paper. The blue litmus paper turns into red color. The released gas is in the dry state. When this gas is dissolved in the water content of wet blue litmus paper, it turns into red color. From this we can say that the released gas have acidic nature. From this we concluded that acids and bases dissolves in water forms ions. Thank you for watching.